Ready to turn your passion for travel into a rewarding career? Explore LSPM's online travel and tourism management courses and embark on an exciting journey in the travel industry. From destination marketing to travel planning strategies, our courses provide you with the knowledge and skills to become a travel expert. Don't just dream of adventure, make it your reality. Enroll now in LSPM's online travel and tourism management courses and create dream travel experiences for others. Join us and embark on a fulfilling career in travel and tourism. Your journey to becoming a travel expert starts here with LSPM. To apply, visit our website www.lspm.org.uk today.